Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. I'm going to call this Deja Vu Thursday for a good reason. I'm actually doing Easter dinner today. I didn't cook on Easter. So today I'm actually, tonight, this evening, I will be doing the chicken divan that I was supposed to cook on Easter Sunday. But last night I prepared lemon chicken orzo soup. It was very good. I used my own blend for lemon pepper seasoning because I happen to have the dried lemon peel, a jar, on hand. It's easy. The soup is very good. In actuality, if you see the photo that I posted last night, the orzo kind of got really puffed up. So it looks more like a stew than it does a soup. But it's very tasty. I added just a little bit more lemon than what the recipe actually called for. So I will get both recipes posted up. I've had some requests for the soup recipe for sure. But I will get that posted up this morning. So again, it's deja vu. You're going to see almost the same ingredients that you possibly saw on Sunday, Easter. So today is chicken divan, but I decided last night, instead of doing white rice, I'm going to do brown rice. Robin and I both like brown rice. And I think this will go really well texture-wise and that nutty flavor. So let's get to it. Got some hardware. And some more hardware over there. Yes, I get to use the grater. Yeah. Let's see if I can keep these digits safe. We got the brown rice. And we got the broccoli. And we got some fresh chicken. Flour, kosher salt, black pepper. This chicken stock is basically because I will be using the broth from the chicken when I cook it. So I'll probably have to augment it with a little bit of stock, of breadcrumbs, of course, the white cheddar, and some butter, sour cream, and pimentos diced. Basically, a simple, very simple meal. Robin requested this for Easter. Putting myself under a new light. If you can't tell, I'm sick again. I started feeling really bad yesterday, and yes, I hit the fluids hard, and the Motrin, but I woke up today. I don't really feel like caca, but it's definitely a cold, at least. I'm not sure who to blame. Robin wants me to blame that because I did that event on Saturday. It was around a lot of people. I don't know. So, bear with me. Okay. So, on this Deja Vu Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be home alone all of next week. I'm going to put up a list of ingredients that I would like your help to help me prepare meals for myself. Robin is going away on a little vacation with her brother. Yes. So, this is just an infomercial, part of the message. So, again, I'll put up some list of ingredients. You give me some ideas how to cook for myself. Let's have some fun. Bye.
la.